Nakakamiss din yung dati, no? Kung pwede lang sana ibalik yung dati eh.
Guys, I'm back for another new video again. And new use again, so about that earlier, I just skipped the one. So this is the part two. Actually, we're talking about the bro. Part 3 of this video. This is for, I'm just talking about this eraser. This is for first place.
Ilang taon na din palang nakalipas, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman kung gaano ako kasaya dito. Yan ang mga na-miss ko. Puros laro-laro lang. Walang problema masyado. Happy lang.
Let's go! Yes! I'm the first again. He's the last. I get it. I get it. I get this.
Ay, nako. Kakamiss talaga, no? Balang araw. Sasaya ulit ang ng kanta. Balang araw.